Hello, traders. Welcome to episode 488 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here on a Thursday. Oh boy, it's Friday Eve. Let's go. Weekend draws near. With Bitcoin making higher prices. What? What do you want, man? Bullish divergence. The manifestation of divergence. Manifestation of the bulls having the ball. Here we are. As discussed yesterday and the day before, once we pivoted here, we broke the pennant on the other chart. Well, measure move exceeded on that chart, and we're going to look at it. We're going to look at three different charts, all right? We got Bitfinex, we got Binance US dollar tether chart, and we got the Coinbase chart, right? So three different prices, as you saw in the thumbnail. Which one are we going to look at? Well, we'll look at them all, but we'll make our decision, I guess, when we get done looking at all three. Can you hear me? All right, dude. So, like on the tether pair, we hit the 88.6% retrace. We are there. We've touched it, and since done nothing since we touched it. Right, pull back a little bit, but that doesn't mean we're done. Okay, just like here, we were at the 886 for a little bit. We sold off right at it. Oh no, this was the 786. Then we ran up, hit the 886, and then just once we broke it, we were gone. All right, so this is a bearish pattern, but remember in the bearish or in the uptrends, the bearish patterns are not as reliable. Okay, so we just see where it goes. I mean, like, one could have taken a short if they wanted to, but there's very little help at the 886, right? Normally, when you hit a point of entry for a short or a long, you want to have way more coinciding variables than just the entry, right? I mean, look at the positive momentum. RSI it's a little overbought, 69. All right. Well, it was a little overbought, excuse me, at 75, but it's pulled back and it's just right around overbought territory. So this thing, if it wanted to run again, it could, because if you look at other exchanges like Bitfinex, hey man, we're at $4,700, or excuse me, $5,700. Wow. $5,700 is the 1272 fib extension, which is exactly where we tanked here, where we dumped. All right. So if we made it on the tether chart, that's where we'd be. I think it looks like that. Let's go to Bitfinex before Coinbase. All right, here you go, man. Different looking stuff. I mean, same upsloping structure after the impulse gross. But here we are. The 1272 in this situation from the high to low is at 58.59. Oh my God, Probes would be so proud, but right, 58.59. But I know Probes has a little Probes to worry about, so we don't see him as much these days. But that's great, man. That's a great 1272. The golden 1272, I do declare. All right. So let's look at the MACD. A little different here. Yeah, a lot different. 4 hour, you're showing some divergence. High on price, higher high on price, lower levels of positive momentum. You're showing some bearish divergence on Bitfinex's chart. Weird, man. Real weird. Dude, they're all saying different things, and it all happened with this right here, the tether scare. This threw everything off. Fell as low as 5,058 before running now to a high of 57.82 before pulling back a couple red candles right now. So keep that in mind as we sit right at the same RSI as the tether chart. You know, Binance Exchange 69. All right. So again, 58.59 is your area. The 1272, but before we get there, before we were to get to that 1272, there is resistance that 57.63 and 57.80. It seems we've already touched it. All right, look back here. Holy crap! Look what we've done. We've hit resistance back from June of 2018. That's what we've done on Bitfinex. We have not done that on Coinbase or the tether chart with Binance or whatever. Okay, this is the only one so far. Very interesting. We're at critical resistance points with a little bit of bearish divergence on the 4 hour. So if it pulls back, it surely could if it wanted to, but I don't know, man. All right, Coinbase. Or Coinbase, excuse me. Whoa. All right. In the world. Coinbase. There we go. All right, here's your pennant. Measure move hit, exceeded. Where we broke the 618. We're back testing it. Let's see if we can bullishly engulf and then break and go confirmation off a fib node. What? I mean, why can it not work? But look, you're holding on to lots of positive momentum, but on higher highs, you're making lower levels. Same RSI. So the commonality between all three charts is the exact same RSI, all 69. Wonderful. Oh, it feels so good. But everything else is way off, right? Sitting at 54.03 to the US dollar. Bitcoin is. Where we got Tether with leverage and all that. All the way up at 57 plus 100. All right, for us to hit the same spot Bitfinex hit, we'd have to run all the way up to 57.74. That's $300 more, man. Long way to go. Definitely a long way to go. Okay. So that's it. Those are the three. If you're really like which one is best, I mean, you're probably looking at Coinbase just because it's the pure US dollar, right? So that's the one why we always try to look at that one the most. But looking at other pairs is good too. Okay. Other exchanges. Nothing wrong with that. We look at all kinds of different exchanges, all different kinds of pairs and different assets, right? So there you go, man. They're the three comparative charts. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. If you are enjoying any of this, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I really appreciate it. Hope y'all are having a good one. Seriously. Okay, I can't even hear my music right now. Jeez, y'all probably can't either. Maybe. Keep seeing it hit the 30 mark. Whatever. Okay. Let me see the 217 people tuned in right now. My God, man. Strain coffee, dude. All right. Yeah, Activision got wrecked. Hey, dude. Mac Daddy, man. Short-term Jesus challenge for that. Thanks for the 10 XRP, man, on the XRP tip bot. Really appreciate that. It doesn't go anywhere. You know where it stays. It stays. That's like those bags, man. Keep getting bigger and bigger. Okay. I don't take profit on those tips. Crypto tips. Alright, what's up? This is Y, Stuart XRP, VO. Bitcoin Kang, Hans Zambrano, welcome. Jose Garay, MSB, Sid Tentacle, Lee Plot, Orlando Rodriguez, welcome. Crypto 420, Franklin Diaz, John Doe, Scotty XRP, Limbo Leo, welcome y'all. Okay, really appreciate everyone being here. MK wants some IXIC, okay. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad yet. Yeah, Activision down 4% plus after hours. Yeah, man, happens. They beat earnings by 20%, 19%. Right, their EPS estimates. It was estimated 26 cents, and they reported an EPS of 31 cents. So great beat, but they lowered their guidance again. So when guidance sucks, that's why we do the coin flip, right? We do the coin flip. We say earnings is a big coin flip because so much stuff can happen. And yeah, man, they sold off, but dude, it's down like $2 or something. I mean, really, we closed at like $49 plus today. You can't be, the only one complaining would be people that did not get in at the optimum entry and FOMO'd in at a less optimum entry. Okay, that's it, man. What's up, Christopher? Ambience, or Ambiance, sorry. A Center for Ambience, dude. Crypto Cloud, Mark Foster, Jeremy S. What's up, dude? Arthur Beeswax, Sean Hunter, hello. So Mr. Deus Ex, welcome in. Ridiculous. Gordeski, man. Brookalinos, Randy Bobandy, Bald and Bearded, welcome, dude. Dang, a lot of good people in here today, alright? What's up, Mr. Guitarist? It's not progressive jazz, it's the Grateful Dead. Exactly, dude. But I guess it is kind of progressive jazz or something, right? Is that even a thing? Probably. What's up, Julia? Welcome. Iceberg. Hey, there's Bradford, dude. Hey, second best day to join the Patreon is today. Okay, if you want to support this channel, hey man, you want trade setups, you want education, tons of education, Discord exclusivity, hit it up, man. We got, I think, what are we at right now? Oh my god, dude, we have 100 patrons. We just hit 100 again, alright? Triple digits, man. That's awesome. Who was it, though? Who was it that joined? Because I didn't get a notification. Hold on. Let me find this. And I just don't understand why nothing's working on Streamlabs. It's like it broke or something. I went in and refreshed everything. It's just stupid. Dude, Frantic, man. I really apologize, man, about it not working. I have no idea, like, why at all. It should work. So, Frantic Rock, man, thank you so much for joining the Patreon about 5-6 minutes ago, where the alert just didn't go off again. It hasn't worked all month, man. I wish I knew what to do about it. So I'm changing up the Patreon pledge. I saw it last night when I did the example one for someone else, and I just didn't dig it. So we're just going back to this one. We're going to do a test pledge for Frantic Rock for the Jesus Chimes because it's such a rare auditory event. So we'll do it right now for Frantic. Is that a joint? We're back, baby.
Is that a joint?
We got the old scuffed one back due to democracy. The community picked old scuffed Elon over new proper Elon. So good. We have another poll we must do today. Meme of the month, all right? I figured, like, what's the point of me picking meme of the month, man? It should be like a community thing where the community votes on it. So we have a straw poll already available, and I'm going to bring it up. And if you're in the Discord... All right, so this is the link to it. Okay. I mean, we looked at all charts on Bitcoin, man. So, like, sometimes, you know, we do take it back a little bit and we hang out with the community, and this is a way of doing it, all right? And so, the finalists for the April meme of the month is Black Plasma, Chaylin or Zoro, and Zachary. Okay, and I'll pull these up on screen so you can get some context in case you're on mobile or something. Hold on. Meme of the month. Okay. So I'm going to pull each one up individually. These finalists, where are they, man? Okay, so here is Black Plasmas, the first one. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so it's hard to see. This is why you want to be in our Discord, Meme of the Month tab. Look for it. Black Plasma made this. This is Discord Reloaded. Okay, become a patron. Fake Mitch, you know, the fake Mitches, because there's some guy out there trying to, he's like manipulated my email and makes it look very similar to mine, but he tries to hack people, or he's trying to like steal money from you. So don't open an email from me, especially if I'm asking in the email for a link to your keys, your crypto keys. I would never do that, dude. Okay, so nice awareness there. All right, that's the first one. Then we got Chaylin. All right, it's like when the trade setup hits target. You know, it's a guy just flicking everyone off, and it's like, look, dislike troll. We got one psycho who comes in and dislikes occasionally, you know, like 100 times our stream. So that's for him. And yeah, that's one. And then Zachary's will be the last one. And that is right here. It's just for like 80s night. It's just a meme or whatever. Okay, there are many more taken into consideration, but it seems like we can only have like 3 or 4 different you know, selections on the poll. It just gets too much at that point. All right, so that's it, man. Those are the 3 contestants. Place your vote and be a king. Okay, place it or be destroyed. Okay, we got 13 votes. Zachary is winning. Mid-trade TA 80s night. Dang, dude. So here it is. All right, that's the voting right now. Again, go vote or be destroyed. Uh-oh. Oh, half and half. It's a tie ball game. All right, we'll get back to it in a little bit. We'll let the polling commence. Okay, where is my music? I can't even hear anything, dude. It's over. No wonder, dude. No wonder. Okay. We'll figure this out, man. I swear. I swear I'll figure it out. Okay. I think we're good now. Perfect. Alright, go Bitcoin. Let's go, man. Golden retrace on this chart. Near a 1272 on the Bitfinex chart. And an 886 retrace on the Tether chart. All over the place, man. Crazy world we live in. Yes. So what does that mean? Ethereum. Well, yep, continuing to upslope. Where's our other one? Our newer one that we've been referring to the most recently. Yep, there it is. Okay, so you just, you know, in these cases, hey, not even much of a move up, right? Right, you just move it over to contain it, and it's still fine, right? 88.6% retrace, way up here, but I just don't know how you'll get there. That's $174. There's a downsloping resistance from April 7th and April 20th and April 23rd, right? The resistance is at 168, 170 area. Okay, so you make it on up here, it'll be 167. It's a moving target, right? So it could be 170 up here, 160, but like as time goes by, it's like 166 to 168, all right? Before you sell off again. And what we would be hoping for is a beautiful entry on this X, A, B, C, D, all the way down to the 886, waiting patiently for a potential long entry there. But yeah, man, of course, the ebbs and flows between there. It's the 4-hour chart, man. Yeah. Excuse me. God, I hate when it does that. I hate when it like gets stuck like that. There we go. All right, so zooming out, you can see the structure is upsloping. The bulls have the ball for now, but not really making any kind of threats to our previous high at $222. Not even close, right? So that's kind of crappy. All right. Still beautiful channel. Still beautiful harmonics within. 3618 hit entry twice, and we dumped. Okay. So it's all good, man. And we kind of expected, especially right here, when we made that higher low double bottom with the crazy bullish convergence, we thought we might develop this, and it's working, right? Impulse up, down sloping consolidation, bullishly engulfing right now with an hour 36 minutes left on the 4-hour. We could break to the upside again. Wouldn't be weird. Still below that 200 moving average though. Come on, man. Come on. Give me a break. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, alright, so I'm getting word that it's still probably a good idea to look at all the other ones. Alright, here is a black plasma again, like an Elon Musk meme. I don't know, it's like him with a deal with it, and the CNBC and his earnings, and then Joe Rogan smoking a joint, and someone else is smoking a joint with his flamethrower, and he's in a Tesla doing the joint, man. And then there's a crazy falling wedge, the chart, that dumped, pumped, and then dumped again now at this point. A little red wine, vintage record, some ambient and magic. There it was. There was the old double bottom, remember? The second bottom. It's beautiful, dude. Very good. All right, what else? I don't know. Greg Morgan. I am become babysitter, wrangler of trolls, student, understander of TA, and become meme, ruler of internet. There you go, dude. They created a deal with it in Bradford. Okay. Okay. Kiki. Look, buy XRP. There it is, man. It's the XRP spaceship. I'm sure everyone... Alex Cobb, this is his new vehicle he bought. He was saying it was going to be a surprise. Well, this is it, man. A car or a van within a van. Beautiful. Oh, what else, man? What else? There's like a lot. There was like a lot of stuff. Okay, what is this? This is Greg. Yeah, Greg Morgan. Finally doxed him. He's really Mitch Bulkowski. I don't even know what that is, dude. What is that, like his kid or something? Or is that just like a Photoshop of something, dude? I don't understand. Thomas Bulkowski Connect. Oh, this is a great one. This is an awesome one. Literally every single crypto the past 3 months. Mooning. Arya Stark.
Arya Stark tipped $25. I heard that Crypto Capital, the company that stiffed Bitfinex for $850 million, was run by White Walkers. My bad, guys, but seems like Lord of the Moonlight has our backs.
The light of the what is? Hold on. That was good. That was too good. I couldn't even. My bad, guys. But seems like Lord of the Moonlight. Who's the Lord of the Moonlight? Arya Stark. What about the God of No Faces? What about that God? Moonlight? Yeah, for Elon. Okay. Arya, thanks for the cameo. Are y'all kidding me? Ladies and gentlemen, we have Arya Stark in the audience this evening. Please clap. We love you, Arya. We love you. All right. Thanks for the 25. All right. Unbelievable. Also, we'll just do this for fun, as is tradition, right? Holy crap. So, yeah, dude, look. This one is hilarious. It was like, look, literally every single crypto the past 3 months, and there's Ripple, Garlinghouse, we have a problem, all right? This is Ripple, this is S-Coins. Not anymore, S-Coins are now like this, okay? So Ripple might have the last laugh here, where it's going sideways doing nothing, but the S-Coins did this, and then they went straight down after, okay? So, like, who cares? Most of the S-Coins that had their great trade setups, all that, for those 3 months, they're already back down to the lowest lows, if not making lower lows, the lowest lows of all time for some. Crazy, man, S-Coins. Gosh. And Bradford's like, oh, House Harmonic. Nice, dude. This is him in his graphic art. He's, like, working on it. He, like, started it. His journey. Good to see how he develops. Right? Nice. Greg Morganmore, you better not be looking at other women. And he's watching the show. What? That's a really old thing, dude. Overlay. Okay. And then Black Plasma's like, okay, House Harmonic, man. And he cropped all the harmonics. That's nice, man. We should do that. Okay, Winter is here. Gottron. Okay, Justin's son. Great, man. And the thing is, like, the last one. It's like delisted from every exchange. Still has better chance of 589. Oh, shots fired. Okay. Bitcoin Cash, SV, destroyed. Great effort from everyone. Dang, dude, there's another one? Are you kidding me, dude? Respect the Gartley. Okay. And it's like everyone's face palming because she's doing Star Trek for Star Wars. And everyone's like, oh my god. And then it's like, oh yeah. X, A, B, C, D, or whatever. However you do that with a hand. Nice. Don't gamble with your future. Respect the TA. Okay, whatever. Alright, we're good. That was it, man. That was it. Sorry, y'all. But, you know, this is what happens when you have camaraderie and you have an actual qualitative community. Okay, when you build a community and you don't just do a YouTube channel, this is what happens. You get good side effects, positive side effects, like memes of the month. Really cool. All right. Let's go to XRP. Everyone's favorite crypto. Okay. Oh, let's check out the polling, too. Oh. Looks like Chaylin. He's got it. Night King?
Is that a joint?
That is true. You bring up a lot of good points in that TTS right there, dude. And I don't know what Arya... Wow. We have Arya and the Night King in the audience tonight, or today, or whatever. Thanks for being here, both y'all. Real good sports, okay? We have the Kangs and Queens all here, alright? So it looks like it is all but over. Yeah, it's all but over. It looks like Chaylin will be dubbed the winner. Give it a couple more minutes, but that's it. Just like Troll get wrecked. Fantastic. XRP doing a whole bunch of nothing. Well, that's to be expected. Alright. It has done, like, really made a lower high. It made a lower high than the previous high, and that's it. Now it's below the 20 moving average. Just still holding on to this scrub trend line that we broke. Okay, so still not making higher highs than previous highs. Nope. And so you've got the down slumping resistance right here. You have hit the golden zone already between 32 cents and 34.528 cents. All right, so we are reversing our price action, but it's not too bad right now. All I can tell you is just keep praying for Bitcoin, because it's kind of sad, though, because, like, can you even pray for Bitcoin anymore? Because, like, Bitcoin's been doing things, and XRP is doing nothing with it, all right? Nothing. Dang, dude, freaking Night King and Arya are here. I feel like I'm dreaming. Are floating in space. It's so wonderful. Enemies and friends can all hang out together, you see? It works. Sorry, I'm like really behind on chat now. Alright. What's up, Be Free? What's up, King Louis the Fourth? There goes on my chat. Jeez. Long live scuffed Elon. Mark Crypto. Exactly, dude. Exactly. Okay, that S coin, sure. Gordeski says the Bitfinex Bitcoin chart will drop within the next 1.5 hours. Oh yeah, is that true, man? Three-eyed Raven, oh my god!
Three-eyed Raven tipped $25. I have foreseen it. Bitcoin will finally unite the Seven Kingdoms.
Dude, I don't know, man. I saw it. Remember the comet? That's what made me think we were ushering in a new era of bullishness, okay? And, you know. But I don't know, the Three-Eyed Raven is that, it's not brand anymore, is it? It's just Three-Eyed Raven? Did you change your name? Did you have to get new business cards when you changed your name legally to Three-Eyed Raven? Let me know how that goes, dude. Alright, we don't know the process and what happens if people call them brand, you know? Just want to know what you think, dude. Thank you, man, for the 25. Oh my god. VeChain doing things. Fireworks already? Nuh-uh. Well, if Zatchery said it, I must believe, man. Alright, sometimes I get debated on that. A new Tool album is coming out after 13 years? Nuh-uh. Wow. What have they been doing, man? Alright. What's up, Feckless? The Alex Cobb vehicle XRP panic, man? Yeah, dude. Kangs. Oh my god, man. Dude, we have such a great lineup of people here. So many cameos. Is anyone else from Game of Thrones in the audience? Just shout it out if you're here, okay? My goodness, man. Mental hygiene, that's right. That's right, Todd B. Thank you, man, for being here and watching, okay? CWG is reporting live. This is not a dream. It's not a dream, man. It's not a dream. But it is XRP contained within the parameters of parallel downsloping channel. Okay, dude? Is that true? Okay, so the rule of 72, according to Todd, he said it's in effect, an exponential effect. He says the rule of 72 is a simple way to determine how long an investment will take to double, given a fixed annual rate of interest. By dividing 72 by the annual rate of return, investors obtain a rough estimate of how many years it will take for the initial investment to duplicate itself. All right, want to elaborate more on what you mean by it's an exponential effect right now? Let us know, dude. Thanks, man. Okay. We are going to officially close the polling for Meme of the Month. Alright. And it seems as though we have a winner. And it is Chaylin. The Dislike Troll officially has been wrecked. Good job, Chaylin, man. You worked hard on that. And it seems it's paying off. As all things should pay off in life. Let's get more votes next time. 42. Scuffed, dude. Super scuffed. Alright, for that, we'll just play another, Jimmy Ragsdale Jesus Chimes to crown the winner. It's probably good to do that. Because it seems like we're not getting it anyway. Alright. What? I feel born again. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. Congratulations, Chaylin, man. Tool has been saying new album every year for the past 10. Sounds like Elon with his promises to investors, right? Get wrecked. What was the... Oh, yeah, dude. Dude, it was so stupid, man. Elon today. Let me find it. I posted it in the general chat in Discord. Oh my god, we'll go over that too. Oh my god, man. Okay, this is what Elon posted today, y'all. Alright, Musk may buy nearly 42,000 Tesla shares.
Is that a join? Is that a join?
Okay. Go figure, right? He would do that. Over and over and over again. Wow. Wait, also, there was this too. So somebody, I made a joke today, because it just was so sad, but funny at the same time. I got an email. Someone likes my content creation. Have y'all heard of Sharkoin? Sharkoin. Alright. Hello, this is Daniel from Sharkoin, one of the most popular online cryptocurrency gaming platforms. We have looked into your channel and we believe our brand fits the content you are publishing. Because I do video games, right? I I play video games, right? We would like to sponsor one or more of your videos. Okay, so, you know, the thing that was hilarious was this, right? Or more. Wow, dude. Thank you, Daniel, man. If you're watching, thank you so much, man, for the offer, but I must, with great regret, I must decline at this time your inquiry. Sorry, dude. Shark Coin. Put a C. Look, make it separate. Shark Coin instead of Shark Coin. It's not cute. And learn your oars. Okay? Thank you, dude. Wow. Feel like we just did the Reddit recap. Kappa. Alright? Jeez, man. Dude, hey, we could reach out to the Crypto Shaman, see if he'd like to partake in Shark Coin. They might be a brilliant pair together, alright? Good God. What's up, Gene DeMarco, man? Mr. Air and his potato chips bag. Welcome, dude. Moonshine Fuel says Golden Cross. On what? Where's the Golden Cross? What you talking about, dude? You can't just say Golden Cross, question mark, and expect me to know, alright? All that talk about Irukandji drew Daniel in? Yeah, I guess so, man. I didn't know sharks actually ate Irukandjis that are almost microscopic, right? Or the box jellyfish, anyway. Sorry, Jonathan Kangs. Sorry, dude. But, you know, at least you bounced a little bit. You had, like, a day, like, if you were in yesterday, well, 2 days ago, it pumped up right back to pretty much where we were before selling off again today. So you had a chance, right? The back test, I believe. I know, the lack of Ragsdale Jesus Chum's killing us, man. I know. It's stupid, dude. I just can't believe it, man. Alright, hold on a sec. I think we're getting word of something right now. Maybe not, though. I might be literally losing my mind. That was like 3 minutes ago. Dude, Michael E., I'm really sorry, dude. I have no idea why it's not working. I don't know, man. It's Streamlabs. It's not me. Okay, I've already refreshed the catch and all that. Alright, one more. We're gonna do it again. Whoa.
Is that a joint?
I just double clicked it and it made the sound go at the same time. So that was like double Jesus chime effect. That's like Kaioken. Jesus, man. Alright. Thank you, Michael E., for joining the Patreon, dude. Really appreciate that. Much love, man. Okay. Y'all are incredible. Beautiful. We've done it, man. Alright, IXIC, the composite, NASDAQ composite. You know, that, well, beautiful descending broadening wedge, high to low. We're at the 100%, and we're showing tons and tons of weakness here, aren't we? Yes, we are. Looks like the wedge, and it looks like we kind of fell out of the wedge. Straight up, man. Let's try to... Hold on. See, it's like this. You had the wedge, and I think you back tested and broke out of it. Past couple days. Just like the rest. Oh my god, dude. So, you know, big, like, impulse up, then your rising wedge after, right? So we know that's a bearish reversal pattern. As we can see, what's happened is we broke out. Okay, we back tested as a resistance. Okay, and then we bullishly haramied at the end of the day. This is a 4 hour, so we can go to the daily real quick, kind of see what it looks like. Okay, huge spike in negative momentum. And it was ushered in with a bearish engulfing candle yesterday. All right. MasterCard Connect. Let's go, baby. Lots of indecision. Somehow, some way, you've closed above the 20-day moving average. You truly have. All right. So, why is that not showing up? Jeez. We'll get it, man. There we go. So, look, broke out. You back tested as resistance and closed, not knowing what to do, what the F to do. It's like, we broke out. We back tested the old support as resistance, and now we know what to do. Alright, so measure move is really not that big a deal, man. Let's just say that was the measure move, or that was the breakout. of the small, very small pattern. Jeez. It's like nothing, dude. Right? So if it made a measured move, it would be you running down to test the 50-day moving average, which there's absolutely nothing weird or wrong with that. 77.69 MKM. All right, let's see what happens. You've had uninterrupted Kang gains since December 26th, man. The rest of the market the same. All right. There you go, dude. Finally showing a little weakness at pretty much the 100% retrace. All-time highs. Here it is. Here we are. Is it a double top? Could be. Monk ass. All right. There you go, MK. Good God. Yeah, we're farming ore, dude. We're mining ore. I think that's what he was going for, dude. All in on Sharkcoin. Bravo, let's go, dude. Thanks for not spamming you. What do you mean spamming you, dude? I spammed you with memes, quality memes. Just recently. Oh my God. Crazy. Crazy meme right there. You foam it in on Sharkcoin? I'm surprised you even knew it existed, dude. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to get through this chat. There's not much of it. We're good. You're starting an old 900 line for Dirty Crypto Talk. Is 900 before 800? Or before 888? Okay. Jimmy Rag's done, man. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. What's up, Farshad? Oh, 900 whip. Alright. So, let me just randomly do stuff. Got you on. So you're like, what were you saying about Phoenix Connect? Red Pulse Phoenix Connect? Okay, I guess there's support. You like broke it? Alright, so you got like 3 supports. You're at one right now. Hey Malik, what's up, dude? Thanks, man. Let's see, divergence going on? Any, really? I mean, low, lower low. See, now it's like, look, there's like a low here in the lower low, and you have higher levels of negative momentum. That sucks. You see that? But yeah, I get it. It's like from this low to this low. Yes, obviously lower, but down here was the same thing, right? So are you saying there's like a double bottom or something? Dude, like, there's no way to, like, what am I supposed to do here with, I mean, X, A, B, C, maybe D? I mean, what's your retrace? 78, 88% retrace? That might be something you got going for you. 88, yeah, 88.6% retrace. All right. So, yeah, probably XA, B, or XA, B, C, D. And it could be a bat or something like that. But I don't... Oh! Hello. Very nice. Daily MACD bullish divergence. Okay. At an 88.6% retrace. On Red Pulse Phoenix Connect. Okay. No help on the RSI. As you see, lower levels of relative strength on lower lows. That's bearish convergence. Okay. So I don't know, man. Let's just try it just for fun. Okay. Just see how it goes. I mean, we're going to go wick to wick. See, that's too deep of a retrace to be a bat. If it was anything, it should have been a 786 retrace. You should have bounced there, but you did not. So now you're here at the 886, which is really like, okay. And your, 1618 fib extension is way down here at 207 sats, and we got as low as 211 sats. So let me recolor that, make that like so 1618's right there. Then you, gosh. And you got your 886 right there. Jeez, man, can't even see, man. Oh my god. So there is the PCZ, if maybe, but like again, it's not even a real pattern. All right. What do we use the candle closes though? Candle closes. I don't know if that's going to give us anything better looking. All right. All candle closes. That's particular situation. Then we're 88 or 86, so way too deep there. All right, and like that's beyond a 1618 where we are right now. So no confluence zone, but 88.6 is right here. So all right, man, let's see how it goes, dude. Bullish divergence right there. XABCD potentially on Phoenix Connect. All right, trying to make sense of these S coins with simple lows and highs. Okay. Are we cool? Hold on. It's the acid trip part of the song. I need to fast forward it. Hello, can you hear me, chat? Are we even there? Thanks for 300 people here. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's see if we can get 200 likes. Is that even possible today? On a Thursday? Euphoria, right? Are you? Jonathan King. Oh my god, man. Adam Connect. Malik says, thanks. This is my first time coming across your channel. I'm adding you to my daily watch list. Thanks, Malik, man. I really appreciate that. Much love. Benjamin, no, I've not looked at that. Okay.
Buy Shark Coin, buy it now. Can you look at No Monthly? Chinese coming?
Hey, Kills for Living. Thanks for the sailboats, man. Much love. I love it. Arya dipped when the Night King showed up, dude. Get wrecked. Okay, you say, what is it? Kano? Yeah, it looks like a right-angled and descending broadening formation. Chinese is coming, probably, for this. Yes. Look at this, man. Beautiful, too. It looks awesome. It looks so good. Okay, you got a buy wall. Clearly. Critical supports. You bounced off of it. False breakout, but it could be just a premature breakout. I mean, where does it even start, right? Is it like that? Where does it start? Okay, this is a textbook Bulkowski pattern, all right, where you've just got this buy wall, and the reason why you keep making higher highs is because it's testament to the buy wall being too strong, right? So it's just like some sort of same psychology behind the descending triangle. And so like when you bottom this many times, you have huge runs up, but then you hit this resistance. There's some resistance, you hit it, and then you sell off. And there was a huge head and shoulders right here, if you can see it. I was like really like that. It's like a slanted, down sloping, weird. It's kind of like left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? We broke it. Did not make a measurement move yet. It'd probably be a little bit lower. But as you can see, all we did, right, is we broke out of the pattern, the head and shoulders, and we ran up and back tested the area that was once a critical support as resistance before dumping again. Ooh, no bueno, man. Lower high than your previous high. Consecutive lower highs here. And so we know that there's down sloping resistance that we have yet to break, right? Which is right here. Okay, you get that too. You see that? So the area, if you wanted a real breakout, $18, you got to break $18 or so. But measure moves of these patterns, man. Like you go from the widest areas, from the bottom to top. That's a huge pattern. So I don't really know, like it does make sense that you could just do it like that too, I guess now. But I mean, it would have been like this, where you like broke out and couldn't sustain prices above it and then dumped. Okay, so that makes sense, but then you would just be, okay, well it's the same freaking thing. So this is huge pattern of consolidation that's been going on. It started in 2013. Here we are. Yeah, good chance. So we've hit the bottom. Next time we rally, and we fail to make a higher high, that will be a confirmed, well, that will be most likely a confirmed rise, partial rise, and we could get destroyed. Okay. Do a measure move. $26 measure move. That's insane, dude. You don't have to do the measure move. It's just such a large move, man. We could just get wrecked. You could also do fib extensions easy. Very, very easy. I think that it's probably most prudent to use this low to high, but now we have like a lower low. You could do low to high, but the major retrace, I believe, like will be like, oops, low to high. Okay, if you eventually break this support, your first target's going to be 1106, okay? And it could be a real quick drop too. Real quick drop, all right? There is absolutely no support once you break this buy wall. Or, yeah, it's the buy wall that keeps getting bought up, right? But eventually, you're going to hit this so many times that there will be no more demand left, because all those buy orders from that one institution or two institutions or whatever, the whales, all that will be bought up, and there will be no one buying at this price anymore. The only people buying would potentially be buying at much lower prices, and that's how we get a huge break to the downside. All right, hope that helps, man. On CNO, man, what is financial? Yeah, holy crap. Look at that. What happened? 11 months, 29 days? We talking about, Matt? Hello, Green Bag Cardano. Hello, Live Crypto or Live Crypto, whatever. How long did it take me to learn on this TA? I've been learning the arts of technical analysis for 7 years, James. It was a hobby of mine, like a huge hobby of mine in my 20s. Okay. Yeah, I guess so. Bitcoin King. No one's spoiling anything unless someone in chat is spoiling things. I'm not. Whoa, holy crap. Okay, bull flagging, kind of. A little bit, right? Pinneting, whatever you want to call it. Well, 786 from the real swing low. Falling wedge. We broke the falling wedge and we back tested it as a support when it was once resistance. As you can see, break, hook, 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 and go. We have a break, hook, and go confirmation, but as we saw in Ripple, Ripple had one too and got devastated. Well, it just didn't work. Okay. So getting back to near neutral, so we might be getting ready to run again. RSI is looking good on the 4 hour, 55. Okay. Oh, I don't know, man. What is it? It's like... something like that. Okay. Yep, impulse up, down sloping, consolidation, getting ready to run again. To the extent of how high we go, I don't know. I think there's the 200 moving average up here at like $77, but if you were to play the falling wedge to converging down sloping trend lines, the primary target's always going to be 82.31, secondary target's 86.41 if you play the fibs. Measure moves really, really high, so I don't even know. I'm cool with fibbing from the high point to low point. Okay, of the wedge. Okay, man. That's it. Dude, this looks so good on the RSI. You got no idea. 54. Man, this thing is so primed to run again. If Bitcoin does anything, this is going with it, all right? There you go, dude. Bullish tornado watch, Kappa, but not really Kappa at all. Litecoin Connect. There you go, man. You asked. You got it. Dang, they've been live for like an hour now. Wow. Have a good one, Julia. I don't have courses, no, James. I used to do one-on-ones. I used to do courses too, kind of. It was like classes. It was like a classroom setting thing. It just took up so much time to do it, and I don't know, man. Like, when you do things on your own, you just do what you want to do, right? You do what, like, you really aren't going to get burnt out on. I feel like I can do this every day, like, all the time and not get burnt out, like, for real. But, like, if you start adding all these other things I have to do beyond what I'm already doing, it just starts making it harder to do the things you love, all right? And I didn't want anything to ever become like that for me. So I only have a certain amount of time to do things. So I have to be, like, really mindful of that. Right? That's right, Bradford, man. That's right, dude. Okay. Yeah, we did a video on BNB today. If you haven't seen that, man, or woman, you should. It's good. But I don't even know, man. My, like, videos don't even get views anymore. It's like, I mean, it's like, obviously there's a lack of interest in my static videos again, or, like, I don't know. It's just weird, man. It's like, oh, I'll do an XRP update, but then I'll do, like, any asset that's not in the top 3, and, like, no one will watch the video. Not even my education videos get views. It's just like, okay, well, that's great, man. But hey, man, Fortnite, okay, Fortnite will get you a lot of views, right? These are the 323 people here. Holy crap, 30 more likes till 200? Is it possible? Is it even real? Moonboy Ale, Alfonso? I have not found Moonboy Ale. Okay. Not at all. This is not like advanced stuff. This is as advanced as it pretty much gets when you're talking about technical analysis, and that's why it's like, you know, tough to get people involved or interested in it, because it's just like Greek. It's like a different language. It really is. Well, Brian, you're obviously not in our Discord then, because if you were in our Discord, you wouldn't care, because you're getting alerts on every publication I make of anything, even a stream. Is this like a stream full of millennials? There's a lot. The majority are millennials, but they're the second, the age group. My largest age group is between 24 or 25 and 34, and my second largest age group is between 35 and 44 or whatever. So imagine playing Fortnite in 2019. Dude, so many people play it still, I think, right? So thanks, Kuna Bud. Is there something for like fireworks? Stop with the likes! Even though I'm sometimes my own, you know, I sometimes also struggle with the likes. Okay. Shadow ban? I don't think there's a shadow ban in Team Crypto. It's nothing to do with that, dude. There never was a shadow ban. Alright. Generation X? Heck yeah, Mr. Prick. Deus is 50. Benjamin's 35. Ed is 48. See, I mean, yeah, it's such a crazy age range, man. We got young people and really older people, too. It's just like in between, man. That's really cool, though, right? When you can have or be a part of a community that is so vast in age differences I think that's just wonderful, man. Most, like, I guess streams or communities can't be like that. They just can't. Oh, don't lose your mind, man. Nothing worth losing your mind ever, okay? Yeah, dude. Does anyone go back and watch old? Hey, what y'all should do is we should look for old price prediction videos from other content creators and post timestamps of the videos in our general chat or whatever. And like timestamp where they're talking like, yeah, what I think this year, man, like, and this is like, you know, obviously during the Great FOMO, I think XRP is going to go to $17, right? I think Tron's going to go to $10 this year, right? I want to see a bunch of time-stamped YouTube videos of scrubs giving price predictions, non-ironically, too. So 42, 40, 38, 34, 44, 50, 36, 46, 24, 33. See? It's just all over the place. 66, 49, 38, 57, going on 87. Okay, Greg, man. Greg S., are you the Night King, man? Trends 43. You could C++, Richard Dunhill. Excellent, dude. Do you have any pickup lines for the ladies for being a coder? Let us know, man. Ed says he would have no idea about crypto if it wasn't for his son. He has been doing this since 2014. It's cool, man. I don't think that's truly ever going to happen, Christopher, man. Struggling, man. Struggling tremendously. But maybe setting up with a higher low. ADA to the US dollar tether. It kind of broke out. Not really, though. I think if we adjust here, you haven't broken out. Making that little adjustment. You just do 1 and then the next one, 1 and 2. You're still not out, right? But there's good news here. There's good news on ADA. All right. So I get it, man. You have a low, a lower low, and now you're making higher lows. Very close to the previous low before, or the left shoulder. So potential left inverse head and shoulders going on ADA to US dollar tether. But you got to pray for Bitcoin, otherwise you're screwed. This could also turn into a double bottom or something, like just like we had here, man. And that failed miserably. Okay. So it didn't really have any divergence on the 4 hour. Well, I mean, I guess there was like from this low to this low, sure. But like there were these other lows on the way down that you had this and then you made a lower low than that low. So that's not really good. So what happened, this channel that we were in, I don't know, had it plotted like this. We're below it and we're back testing it as resistance. Gross. So, but if we could break to the upside on this, ever, you're looking for 8.215 cents and 8.605 cents, right? Those are your primary targets of a falling wedge when using Fibonacci from the height of the structure to the bottom point. Okay. So there's your idea. That's what I think about it. Okay. Cool. Who is the youngest person in here? Okay. And who is the oldest person in here? Who thinks they are the youngest and oldest person? Wow, not person. I don't even know what I just said. Wow. Trying to $10, man. Mr. Llama Man. Are you sure about that? Is that your final answer? Hey, surf fishing for Morgan, Alabama. What's up, dude? Oh yeah, the most watched or most popular videos on YouTube are makeup tutorials. Bobby Man. I guess that makes sense, dude. What's up, what's that? Crap, I lost so much chat. Nathaniel, what's up, dude? Any idea as to why Bitcoin to Tether is stalling at 5,500? Because when you make moves up, it's a 4-hour time scale, and you don't just go straight up. You up, down, up, down, up, down, bots. Just up, down, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You just, that happens, man. People were saying, why are we struggling at the 382, right? Why do we struggle here? Why are we struggling at 5,300? It's not really you're struggling. It's just, sometimes you just methodically march on up, and it's slow and steady. Charles Wheat Jr., welcome, dude. Crap, man. What is this? Is your name Christmas because I want to marry you? Okay. Yeah, I get it, Mary. But it would be Mary with one R, not two. Get wrecked, dude.
Is that a joint?
Hey, Montana man.
Spite if you could.
I don't know if I can. Yes, I can. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Because it won't let me look at the Spider or the SPX now. It'll let me look at the SPY. That's a new trading view thing, man. Like, you have to pay now. It's like a new thing. Money grubbers, dude. Montana man, here we are. Crazy, crazy historical uptrend since over 10 years now. We've been in this upsloping channel, and we got a real scare here with the insane V recovery, and here we are. Where are we, man? Well, we just so happened to hit the 100% retrace like the Jesus man, and then as soon as we did that, I don't know, there was a real, well, let's go to the daily. Bearish engulfing candle, gross. Right at it, man. 2 days we closed above all-time highs, and then the third day we gapped up, ran up a little bit to 294, and then just dumped all day to 291. And then today, mixed bag, indecision. You opened at 291, ran all the way up to 292 on a scrub rally, and then dumped all the way down to 289 before running back up and closing the day again above that 20-day moving average, bouncing off the bottom trend line of the rising wedge. Whoa, dude, Monka S on this one. Hey, Montana man, there you were, right there, you had it. But dude, you're holding the 20, man. Eventually it's going to break. You'll just run down to the 50. I mean, measure moves probably down there anyway, just like we looked at the NASDAQ composite. Measure move Montana man is not much, like $9.29, I think. No, it's a big deal. So if we did break tomorrow or whenever we decide we want to, if we did, we could go all the way down to 281. If the world went absolutely insane, Montana, and we pivoted and rallied and broke out bullishly up here or something, measure moves like it 305. Okay, so probability is, you know, this, but dude, there's always an offshoot chance this could happen just because this market is insane. Extremely bullish conditions, right, dude? So bearish pattern with divergence, but not too much of a drop, right? Not too much at all. So there have been a real nice bearish engulfing candle this whole run. Not really. No bearish engulfing candle like that the whole run. I mean, you could say that's bearish engulfing. Not really. What a joke, dude. All right, so I don't see any other real bearish engulfing candle this whole rally that's lasted since December 26th. There's none, man. None. Except the 1st of May. Okay, Montana. Be interesting to see. We go to the weekly. Weekly, dude. Wow. Huge amounts of positive momentum, relative strength. There is no divergence on the weekly. But as you can see, extreme amounts of bearish divergence. All right. Yes, my Southern Draw came out. Sue me. Kappa. Look at that 200-week moving average is where it all pivoted and ran again. What a scare. So for now on the weekly, what we're developing is, I'm sorry to say, ladies and gentlemen, what is this on the weekly for the spider? Tell me what it is, and you will be king. Let's just say we closed the weekly today. Well, we're closing tomorrow. So it's almost, if there's a real good shot, this is going to be confirmed by close tomorrow. What is this pattern? Let me know. First one to get it wins. Respect. We've done this many times too. So. My boob's good. It just is. Okay. Dorama 66. Is there anyone older than 66 in here? Mad Mario says he's 16. I don't think is there anyone younger than 16? I don't think so. I think y'all are the winners. I think Rama Llama is the oldest and Mad Mario is the youngest. What a crazy, crazy disparity in age right there. Thanks, Kurt, son. I'm glad you enjoy the music, man. Bet, bro, what's up? James Levinson. Are you related to Jan Levinson, Ghoul? Just kidding, she's not Ghoul anymore. Michael and Gerard? No, it's the inverse of that. It's the inverse. Dang. Okay, there we go. Ryan Phillips got it, man. Congratulations, Ryan Phillips. You did it, man. You won. All right, so this is a bearish reversal pattern developing on the weekly for the S&P 500. All right? That's what's happening. This pattern is developing at critical areas of resistance all-time highs. So it will be very interesting to see if this manifests into much lower prices in the coming weeks and months. Okay? Very cool. Alright, dude. Check your different time scales, especially on the stock market. Well, I mean, I'm talking like much slower, like the weekly. Like the weekly on Bitcoin and crypto is like, okay, there's just not much historical data on any of them yet. Okay. What's up, XR Kun, dude? You're in the office working overtime? Alright, man, well, don't let me distract you, okay? Yes, Trader Fam, that's it, dude. Dark Cloud cover. I'm 12, and what is this? Feckless, yeah, you're not the youngest, man. Hey, if you want to keep the conversation going when this live stream ends, hit our Discord up, join it. The link is in the description below. If you are like-minded in your love for technical analysis, for your yearning to learn more, this community is for you, okay? Straight up. What's up, B-More? I'm glad y'all do, man. Todd Jones has been in the bath most of the stream. He needs to get out. Don't become all pruny, dude. Gross. The candlestick cheat sheet. Ryan Phillips. Boom, man. Learn them. Cheat out all day.
Jumped into VIX for a short-term play, we will see.
Is that a joint?
Oh, yeah? TVIX, huh? You're lacking volatility, right? You're looking for... Well, the TVIX, you're looking for no volatility, right? Because the VIX itself is... No, this is the VIX. Okay, so this is like you're just... it's 2-time ETN, right? Alright, so you're looking for the volatility spike. Well, it happened. It played out, but, you know, it's really hard to chart these if you do it all, man. Let's just, like, look. They pop, they drop. They pop, they drop. Right. This was it, dude. This was the largest spike of volatility in the history of the stock market right here. When we dumped like this, that was it. So you're looking for inverse volatility, I take it, on this one? I'm trying to think, man. I'm almost certain. Yeah, you're just like saying you think there will be volatility and you're leveraging it. Okay. Well, based on what we saw yesterday, we might get it. And today, it worked out pretty well for you. Really nice today. Well, yesterday, I guess, right? Yeah, yesterday was the big day. The bigger day. Bullish and golden candle, May 1st. All right. Mr. Ether. Welcome, Ether, man. Look, the Ethereum army is assembling, dude. How do you get alerts on your Telegram? If you ever have questions about stuff like that, refer to Brad Fisher in Discord. He can help you, alright? Yeah, double play on the VIX, yeah. Yeah, 2 times leverage. Thanks, James Skinner. Oh, trying to butter me up before you request. Nice one, dude. See your angle. Just kidding. Because you're supposed to be just demanding coins. That's what you're supposed to do. Kappa. Hold on a sec. BNB to BTC. Okay. The channel, the descending broadening wedge, whatever you want to call it, you broke it down, slipping resistance. You broke it, and you haven't really done much since you broke it. That's really nice, man. What are we up today? 6% almost today on BNB to BTC. Very nice, man. Higher low than the previous low. I think it's close enough to be considered a double bottom. Low, higher low. Just a little bit of convergence. Slightly higher levels relative strength on higher prices. So, I don't know, whatever, man. That's great. We can fib. But we've already made that bottom, right? So it's not going to be that great. High to low. You're already at a 50% retrace from the major high to low, right? So, I don't know, man. If the bump and run stuff is like, if you really want the best reward, it's like 48,169. See if we can get there. You're going to have lots of resistance at the 618 at 44,464. Whatever resistance you're at, some little resistance right now. And then look left. There's resistance at right at 43,922, right? Candle, high close. Okay, I get it, man. So it's like resistance, resistance, resistance zone right here. That's what we're rejecting so far. Probably going to take chat off this screen because it's just so hard for people to see the numbers. Okay, but you can see what I'm talking about. Resistance, 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 and you're resisting. So it's not going to be easy to break that, but if you can break that, if you can break above 44,400, smooth sailing probably to 46,067, and then after that, you know, it's just fib by fib. So again, 48,108 is the target of, you were talking about a bump and run or something. Okay, or if it was a descending broadening wedge, 1 and 2, and you broke out, the measure move is always the top. So it makes sense. The measure move of this pattern is 48,160. All right, so we'll see if we can get there. I don't know. Okay, BNB. Kings on this one. That was just like BNB to US dollar, BNB to BTC. They're great, man. Yes, James, I do.
Thanks, you the best, brother.
Thanks, James Skinner, man, for the $3.33 repeating, of course. Kings, man. Appreciate it. Dale Clan, why would I do that? See, I don't need to hand out free stuff because I hand out, I have value in my stream, right? Like, there's substance behind my streaming. I don't just regurgitate news and crap, all right? I educate and empower others. So, I don't need to do weird, scammy stuff like what you're talking about. Okay. Dang, Art of Jared, that's really bad. Did you have a running stop, or did you not even have a stop set up to begin with? What happened, man? Sure thing, Jurgen, man. Mr. Ether says he's watched for a long time. He was got to watch crypto username. Well, thanks for getting back here. It looks like you had to change your identity a little bit. Of course I did Ethereum, Todd Jones. Of course. There you go. A content creator, not a content reader. Exactly, Bradford. Exactly. All right. Hey, been live for over an hour and 20 minutes somehow. Logo on the 8s. Oh my god. Let's go to Bitcoin. The 3 Bitcoins. They're going to make a movie. It's coming out by Disney. Which Bitcoin is the best? We can go to tether first. Alright, so showing strength still, right around this 886. I mean, you know, one candle of indecision right at it, to be expected. Kind of bouncing off the heart line of the equidistant channel we've been in since the 2nd of April. Alright, remember, resistance, lots of resistance, and then you broke it clean, break all the way to the top. And came down, and then you back tested the heart line before dumping after all these, after you held. And then actually we ran up and rejected it as resistance right after the dump. If you see that, you can't. It's like very tough to see. But then support here, resistance here, right? So now we broke it and we're back testing as support. So based on history, you can stay above this heart line. You probably got a real good shot of breaking to the 1272, okay? Holding on to stupid amounts of positive momentum is great too. Alright, so tether looking pretty freaking good. Even at the 886, which is normally where you'd say, hey, this is where one would take a short on a potential trade setup. But I mean, like, bullish conditions, right? It could easily go to the 1272 like Big Brother before it, right? This was the 886 or whatever. And then we broke the 886 and ran to 1272 fib extension, alright? No bueno. RTJR, well, maybe just treat it as a lesson that cost you X amount of money, and you say, all right, I went to school and spent this much money to learn this lesson. That's all you can do if you're down like that, dude. What? Am I skipping you? Did you request something? You realize? I know it seems so easy that me doing this, right? It's like the easiest thing in the world. Oh yeah, anyone can just come on a live stream and manage chat. Manage over 300 people chatting and trying to not piss anyone off, right? Anyone can just make all this real, right? But it's not as easy as you think, okay, Eklund? So, you think I'm skipping you? Come on, dude. You can't take these things personal. What's up, Hakur? Yeah, you must monitor your positions. Watch your money, right? But yeah, we'll look at VeChain, okay? After the local on the 8s, right? Bitcoin and the US dollar tether. 886. BitFinex. Working on the 1272, but where are we really struggling? Where are we showing rejection? Small amounts of rejection right now with a little bit of bearish divergence. Look left all the way back to June of 2018. An area that was once a critical support is now being regarded as a resistance as prophesized. Okay? Yeah. So that's it on Bitfinex. So very interesting to see. I'd be weird. Like, are we gonna make it to the 1272? How do you even make it to $58 or $58.59? Sorry, $5,859, but it's like $58.59, which is really cool. I love that. Very seldom do you get to see that that number, which is great. All right, so resistance, not the 1272. Okay. Now we go to Coinbase. Coinbase, measure move the pennant, hit. Same thing though, X, A, B, C, looking for the D up here, 55.69. Alright, so I guess we can plot it since this one hadn't played out. Jeez, man, use that wick, man. Pfft. I guess we'll try. There you go, 886. There's your pattern. Okay. This wick is, kind of makes it tough. Honestly, it's like down and up. You know, your peak actually was here. Yeah, that was your peak. The highest high. Look, after the impulse down and the bottom was in, the next candle we developed that B. That was the peak. So it was near a 50% retrace. Doesn't matter really so much in the grand scheme of things, but it does give you the valid pattern. All right, so because that was the highest high of the pennant, right? Since then, though, we've bounced and we're just continuing to run as expected. Okay, nothing is weird what's going on right now. Okay, we've exceeded the 618. We have broken it. We're back testing it now as support, still holding above it. 20 bullishly crossed over the 50. Thank you very much. We talked about this last night. Just like before, you had the bearish crossover right back into the bullish crossover when you created the low and then the higher low. The low and then the higher low. Bearish crossover, bullish crossover, identical stuff going on for now. Okay? There you go. Perfect, man. Are we cool? I think we are. So those are the big three, right? 5,400, I think 5,500, and then 5,700 different exchanges. What? Wait, why would XRCon get hidden? Yeah, you can't hide somebody for saying, Mitch, don't take this as I'm dumb, but I don't know how to tip you. How would anyone ever be hidden for that reason? There's a description in the link below, XRCon, okay? Nah, Greg, I think that we're developing some sort of rising wedge. Let's look at the daily real quick. Look at this tether chart. It's beautiful right now. It's beautiful. What does that look like to you, dude? Well, it doesn't look like a head and shoulders to me, man. It looks like a rising wedge. All good, XRP Mafia. All good. Dang, man. Peter Mayhew, Chewbacca in Star Wars, has died at the age of 74. Dang, man. That sucks. Also, I think yesterday or the day before, the dad from Boys into Hood, or Morpheus from The Matrix, also passed away. Dang, man. That sucks, dude. That sucks. What? What do you mean, seen what, Love of Flutta? What you talking about? I mean, the cup with handle? I don't know, dude. Maybe, but you don't. It doesn't have to be interpreted that way. Dang, thanks for all the new members in Discord right now. Y'all are amazing. Okay, what are we up to now? We are up to, dang, dude. 1,666 subs, man. Inverse Jesus amount. Growing every day, dude. We're growing. Nah, it would be, what's his name, Bradford? What was it? Well, I don't know, man. I just got, yeah, Chewbacca's a 200-year-old Wookiee, exactly. He's gonna be fine, dude. He'll be alright. But, yeah, big rising wedge, measure move is, what is that, like, close to $600, $550 measure move. So it's really not even that big a deal if you do sell off. If you do run up, you could touch, again, right, 57, 71 is that crazy June area. No, it's not even. Yes, it is. It is. Okay, that's what I thought. Like, what? Yeah, so 57.47 on the tether, Bitcoin to US dollar tether on Binance. That's that critical resistance where Bitfinex is currently. Okay, we're not quite there yet. So you could keep on moving on up, moseying on up. But I'll tell you this, man. You must really whack the MACD. The MACD is crazy. Where you're making a high on price, negative momentum. You know, you're making the same high or potentially higher highs with higher levels of negative momentum. Really weird. Eventually, if you just keep moving on up, man, you get to these areas, you're going to be showing some positive momentum. And then, dude, from this to this, man, you're going to get it. And you're showing. Look at this, man. Let's see if we can break this. Or are we? We're already? No, we're right at it, man. Crazy divergence going on the daily, right? So it's like triple. If this keeps going, it might, you know, might not matter, but you can see what's happening. High on price, higher high on price, and now we're attempting to make the highest high on price and lower levels of relative strength every single time. Oh yeah. Beeswax's, man, what's up, dude?
Mitch Ma'an, thank you for staying steady on daily shows and static videos. Keep on trucking.
Thanks, beeswaxers. You know, keep on waxing those bees. Keep on planting those trees. Watch out for the fees. Whatever it is. Alright, you get it. So potential triple RSI bearish divergence going on, man. Alright, we got about 27 minutes left on this daily candle. Will we close with the highest level we've seen of this rally since December 15th, 2018? On the tether chart, on this chart that we're looking at right now? We could. We're getting there. We're getting close, man. Real close. What's up, Popo Fox? Sorry. Just finished my coffee. Bryn Jagger says, 2.5 years trading. I love what you do, Mitch. I'm addicted. Try to watch every day. Thanks for all your time spent with us. Much appreciated. Appreciate you watching, man. Thank you, dude. Very cool. What's up, Mars Martian, dude? Background music's The Grateful Dead. Rock. Cranberger. What a name, dude. Todd Jones, you just joined Discord. Awesome, man. Thank you for joining the Discord. Kangs. Bradford, you got any clarification? It was a direct... Lawrence Fishburne played the father, but he wasn't Chewbacca. No. Y'all, we have two people that have become deceased. It's not like me confusing one or another. It's like there's an article on Peter Mayhew who died, and there's also Morpheus from The Matrix who died, or from the dad from Boys in the Hood. Okay, two different people have died. Back to back. Sucks, man. What is Rising Wedge? That is correct. 55.10 on Tether. Will we get any kind of volatility going into close or after close? We're here, man. We're here with 25 minutes left to see. We just have the daily up right now. Okay, since we're so close to that close of this candle, what's wrong with keeping that up? You just went to the Matrix. There you go, D-Rex. The way to be positive. Oh, goodness. Sorry, another long day, man. Crap, man, I think I had this one in, like... Maybe not. Mr. Etherman, thanks for the $5 super chat. Yep, Golden Cross on the daily is coming. It's happening, man. Here it comes. That's why you wanted it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news on DGD Connect. It's finally doing something. Good God. What a mountain of disappointment. Such a mountain of disappointment. You're underground, right? $68 inception price. Whoops. So on the daily, your previous swing high, it looks like here. To me anyway. High to low. Just in short term. Well, you hit a 62% retrace, 50% retrace. Okay, so you've hit common retrace levels. Good for you. So yeah, sure, it could keep going, but it also just dump back down to lower prices. All right. Definitely does. It to some extent. It looks like a X, A, B, C, D. Not really, because this was too high of a low. we didn't get low enough, probably. I don't know, maybe if you use the wicks, though. Doesn't matter anymore. It's all hindsight. I mean, I think there was harmonic-y stuff here, just like Bitcoin. But there was a resistance, an overhead resistance right here at $23 that we had to break, and we got us high during this run is $41. Now back down from $41 on the 22nd of April. May 2nd, we're at $29. Give me a break. Don't FOMO, man. FOMO will kill you. It will destroy your life. Okay, I don't know what kind of structure we're forming. It doesn't look like much. Just look, I mean, how do I even channel this? It's like you went straight up and you're going sideways now. Okay, look, you broke resistance. If you want to look at it like you had some sort of little range-bound asset that broke out and it seems it's since back-tested and it's holding above. I mean, you can try to do a measure move if you want. But it doesn't even matter, man, because I think you already hit it. You already hit the measure move. 50% retrace. Whatever, dude. So it was like range bound, rectangular of some sort. Okay, you get it, man. Like, we've already done what we're supposed to do, and now we don't care, because it's like the common golden retrace levels that a trader would be trading, they've been hit, and now they're over. And now let's see what happens, okay? Let's get some pattern development and see if we can hold above $25 to $26, which is that old resistance area. Let's see. Let's keep it as a support area, and maybe we could run again, all right? That's it. Maybe wait for more development. But yeah, you got nice golden cross developing literally today and going into the next 20 minutes. All right. It's a cup with handle. A cup with handle that's already played out. Right? Cup with handle that played out. Okay. It's done, man. What do you want, man? You handled and you're gone. Look, you created the little neckline for the cup and gone. Measure move is already hit, dude. Sorry, we just did the measure move of that. All right. Matrix 4, yeah, Crypto Hippie, it's coming, dude. Google says he's alive, looking forward to Matrix M. Well, I got a big bone to pick with Alexia because that's where I saw my news. Dude, I'm pretty sure Morpheus has died. Okay. Someone give me some confirmation. Hard to memorize them all? Not over time. Time's on your side for learning. I don't know, man. Is XRP actually on the NASDAQ, or is it just they're actually going to track the asset? Like, it'll, like, show up on a screen? I think that's what they would Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, that's really not a big deal. Yeah, moonshot. Okay, dude. Okay, y'all. 20 minutes. I don't even know if I can make it to 20 minutes, okay? It's just kind of like, meh. Yeah, lower highs than your previous highs, but higher lows. I don't know, man. I don't like the lower high crap at all. I really don't like that. It's already played, dude. If it keeps going, that's great, but it's already played out. Like, to the common levels. That's why we know the golden zone. Because that's how it works, man. Alright. So weird. On the 4 hour, it doesn't even freaking show up. That's why I go to the daily. When in doubt. Just continuing on up on Bitcoin. Looking for 55.69 to hit an 886 retrace on this chart. As we know, Binance, or the Tether pair, and the Bitfinex US dollar pair, they've both gone well beyond an 886, where we're struggling right at the golden retrace on this exchange. MCO. I don't like MCO, dude. I think it's a scam, man. I think it's really scammy. Monaco. Oh, wait. We had to rebrand to Crypto.com. And then, you know what? We already have Crypto.com, but screw it. We're going to make another asset, and we're going to call it Crypto.com chain. And it's going to be Crow. Dude, that is so, like, sketchy and weird. What do you have to do that for? What do you, if you're legit, why would you have to do that? You wouldn't have to do that if you were really legit, man. Yeah, ask me if Monaco's gonna be around in 5 years. Pfft. What a joke, man. Oh my god. Give me a sec. A whole bunch of nothing, man. Dude, I'm gonna look at your trash can coin for you. Oh god, looks like descending triangle in the short term, but let's zoom out. Looks like this crazy structure develops. It's gonna look perfect, right? 1 and 2 on the top, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the bottom. I don't care about that flash crash. Look at the touches I get. The 25, a little heartline support, resistance, resistance, support. I don't know. You broke this, but not for long. Then you came up and back tested as resistance. You're selling off. So huge downswing structure. Wow, dude. What a winner here, dude. What a bullish asset. Oh wait, that's the inverse of that. Good God. So just down sloping. Very bad. And then in the short term, what's happening? I mean, you've got bullish divergence going on. Though you do, you're showing some really nasty signs too. Of course, these can always act as reversals, but just to be noted, they're lower highs with a buy wall. So there's distribution with a buy wall. Okay, so yeah, there you are. You did show divergence. You broke to the upside. So to the extent of how far we retrace, which we have done, we just tested the 50 moving average and failed. I don't know, it does not look good to me, but whatever. If you made the measure move the downside, you'd be going all the way down to 69 cents. Which I don't even know how it's worth that, but whatever. Go to the upside, $1, 2 cents. There you go. Measure move of the pattern. Great. There it is, man. We did it, man. We did it. 14 minutes, man. What's up, Always Crypto? Thanks, Popo Fox. Yes, I've looked at everything, just about. Almost every S coin you could imagine. Yes, I've looked at it. Okay, y'all. It's been a good stream. Been live for an hour and 45 minutes. So I'm just going to get out of here. 13 minutes till the close. So keep your eye on the charts. Look for price action. See what happens with it. Okay, the correlation with the daily close. The 4-hour close, all right? So real quick, let me do a rundown. Mr. Ether, Beeswaxers, James Skinner, Montana Man, Kills for a Living, Todd B, Three-Eyed Raven, Night King, Arya Stark. Thank y'all for the contributions today. Love the support. Thank you, Michael E. And thank you, Frantic Rock, for joining the Patreon today. Y'all are incredible. Very grateful. Also want to say thanks to Psy Girl. She joined real late last night. Thank you so much, Ed S., for joining the Patreon really, really late last night, early in the morning. Okay, so thank y'all for that. Much love. I'll be back tonight, 11 Eastern, 11 p.m. Eastern. So until next time, respect the TA.
Adios, turd nuggets.